I created this intro using Canva. Want to create an intro like the one you just saw and also learn some useful Canva tips? Then this video is for you. First of all, you already know that Canva has updated its video editing UI, but adding a matching or of transition isn't as easy as it was in the old editor. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use the old video editor. So to do that,
go to the Canva homepage. Click on your profile icon, then go to Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and disable the new beta video editor, like this. Now go back and open a new design. First, click on Video and choose the landscape video. Once you select it, the editing canvas will open like this.
First, let's create the cover image that we're going to tear into two parts.
Now, go to Elements and choose a video that you like. I'm going to use one of the videos I recently used. Click on the video and add it to the canvas. Then, right-click on it and select Set as Background. Let's play the video. This clip shows a man-made architectural design called the Super Tree. Next, go to Text and add a heading. I'll type the word Architecture. From Effects, I'll add the outline effect for now and change the outline color to white. Now, go to Fonts and choose a suitable font. I'll use this little one font. After that, adjust the size and position as needed. I'll place it right at the center of the canvas like this. Next, I'll change the text effect to Lift and set the text color to yellow, like this. Finally, go to Share, click Download, change the file type to PNG, and download the design.
Okay, next, we'll make the split background, which will help us separate the cover image cleanly.
Now start with a blank page. Go to Elements and search as Split Paper. Then open Frames. I'll choose this frame that looks like a paper split into two parts. Click on the three dots here, and you can see the actual name of this frame. If you search using this name in Elements, you can find this frame directly. Now, scale the frame to cover the entire page, like this. You can use the Control key and your mouse scroll to zoom in and out of the canvas. Next, search for a red rectangle in Elements. Go to Photos and choose one. You can use any color. We're just creating an image of a page that's look like split into two parts. I'll pick this one. Drag the rectangle onto one side of the frame. Once you drop it, it will automatically merge into the frame, like this. Now, search for a white rectangle and drag it onto the left side of the frame. It also merges like this. Finally, go to Share, click Download, choose PNG as the file type, and download the image.
Finally, we'll tear the cover image into two pieces and create the animation effect.
Now, upload both designs back into Canva, like this. First, add the split page image. Now, I want to erase one side of this image, either the red part or the white part. First, I'm going to remove the red side. Click on the image, then click Eraser, and choose Pixel Eraser. Set the eraser size to the maximum, like this. Then hold the left mouse button and erase the red part. There's a small red margin left, so to clean that up, reduce the eraser size and carefully erase the remaining part. That's it. Click Done. The red side is now completely removed. Not a big deal. Now, scale the image to fit the page height
and crop it to the visible area like this. Next, go to Uploads and add the other design we created earlier. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Finally, go to Share, click Download, choose PNG, and download the design. Now delete this white slice. Add the split page image again, and this time we'll erase the other side, so only the red part is visible. Follow the same steps we used before. First, select the image, go to Eraser, and then Pixel Eraser. Start by erasing the white side using a large eraser size. Once most of it is gone, reduce the eraser size and carefully remove the remaining white edges and background, like this. When you're done, click Done. Now only the red part is visible. Scale it to fit the page height, like this. Then go to Share, click Download, choose PNG, and download the design. Finally, upload both of the last downloaded designs back into Canva, like this. Now, first clear the canvas. Just delete all the elements on the page. Add the first image and erase the background color the same way we did before. Go to Eraser, select Pixel Eraser, and remove the white area like this. Once that's done, scale the image to fit the height of editing canvas. Then crop it to the visible part and make sure to keep a small margin like this. Now add the other image. Again, go to Eraser and remove the red part like this. Scale this one as well to fit the canvas and position it properly. Crop it to the visible area just like before. Finally, it should look something like this. Now go to Elements and add the same video we selected earlier. Right-click on it and set it as the background. I'm going to split the video at around 4 seconds. When the timeline cursor reaches 4 seconds, press S to split the clip. Now click on the second page. Position both pieces of the image right at the edges of the page. Place the right part on the right side like this. And make sure to leave a small margin on the canvas. This is important. If there's no margin, the match and move transition won't work properly. In the same way, position the left part at the left edge of the canvas. Again, leave that little extra margin, like this. Now hover between the two pages on the timeline and click here to add a transition. Choose Match and Move and increase the duration to the maximum. Now let's play it. Looks awesome, right? It feels like the paper is tearing into two parts. To make it even more realistic, you can add a paper tearing sound effect at this moment. Go to Elements and search as Paper Tear. Then go to Audio. I'll choose this sound effect called Paper Tear 2. Click on it and it will be added to the timeline. Now move the sound effect so it starts exactly when the transition begins. You can hold Control and use the mouse scroll to zoom in on the timeline for better accuracy. Arrange the sound like this. Now let's take a final look. Looks awesome, right? It feels very realistic. Finally, go to Share and download the video. Here you might see a special note asking you to connect your social media account to Canva. This happens because we used a Canva sound effect. My advice is this: small sound effects are usually okay, but avoid using Canva background music or tracks. They can cause copyright issues later. It's always safer to use royalty-free music from trusted sources. Guys, I think that's all for today. Like the video, subscribe my channel. Let me know what video you want next. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.